Okay, back on the bench. Number 2 today. This is going to be a Thunder Bay Y43 post hole digger. It's a new one on me. I've never heard of it. The complaint is it won't start, but it acts like it's going to. Let's see what it does. Well, it took a second, but I fired it up. So, just had to give it a little throttle. Let's see what's going on with it. Let's make sure the filter is in place. J-hook pick is perfect for this. Fuel filter's fine, it's where it's supposed to be. Alright, well, it looks like it was just not started in a while. Spider webs. It lets me know it hadn't been started in a while. So we got lucky on that. It was the easy one. Sounds like a powerful machine. So I'll fill out the paperwork and give the customer a call. Should be happy to get it back quick.